Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab, that is Hello Node Kubernetes. So first of all, click on Start Lab and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. Sometimes you may be prompted to enter the username and password. Now click on I understand. Now if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more amazing playlists and tutorials. So for remaining labs you can check the playlist also. Now click on I agree and continue. Now just activate your Cloud Shell, and here we'll cover all labs, all tasks one by one. So here I am using my method to complete this lab. You can use your also. So this method is very easier and easy to understand also. Now let me increase the font size first of all. Okay. Now here what we need to do, we need to come to the lab instruction, and here we have to create this server.js file. So here they have used vi editor. I am using nano, type nano space and press it and enter. Now copy the contents from here. Now use Control X, Y and then hit enter. Okay. Control X, Y and then hit enter. Now again run this command. It will basically initiate the server, and if you want to view, you can view it also. What you need to do, you need to just click on view server like this. Okay, view and port, you can see hello world, it will show. So finally it's shown hello world. Now the next step is that Control C to end the session. Now again we have to create a docker file. For that, nano space docker file, hit enter, paste the content and just paste over here. Control X, Y and then hit enter. If you made any kind of error, what you need to do, first of all run this. Now if you make any kind of error, you can use Control plus C and then rerun that command or create that file again. Okay, wait for this command to get completed. Finally it's done. Now we'll move forward to the next step, that is we have to just run this docker command. So it's done. Now just if you want to view, we have to just copy the container ID from here. Okay, we have to stop the container. For this you can use your personal notepad. First of all, open your personal notepad or any online notepad, copy it. Now come here and drag your mouse cursor to here, click on it, it will be clicked. So basically you have to just drag your mouse cursor and leave the button, it will be automatically copied. Now follow the way I am doing. Now we have to create a docker repository. Here the name is my-docker-repo. Wait for it to get created. So the docker file is created, basically repo is created, we need to configure it. Then we have to push the repository. Okay, run the, first of all we need to tag it, then push it. Okay, now we have to just run the push command and it will take some time, so wait for it. Now the next step is that we need to do some changes over here. So what we have to run, we have to come back to the lab instructions and do one thing. Okay, we have to just set the project ID. So for that, copy it, we have to replace the project ID. Okay, so just open the notepad here, from the lab instruction copy the project ID, replace it and just select all content and just paste on your Cloud Shell. Okay, now it will show. Now you have to create a cluster. Now cluster creation may take 5 to 10 minutes, so you need to wait for it and then we'll move forward to the next step. Okay, finally the cluster has been created. Now you can check the score. After that we have to just create the pod. So here again we have to modify the project ID. So open the notepad and just copy the project ID from lab instruction, and from here to here just replace it like I am doing, and then come back to the Cloud Shell and paste over here. Now it has created the pod. Now if you want to view the deployments, you can view it, and once it's ready we'll get the score. Okay, so we have to just run it. You can see it's now ready. Now you can view the pods also if you want. So let's view the pods and let's check the score now. Okay, so this is how we completed this step, and let's run the external traffic also. So it's done. we'll check the score also. Now the main thing is that we have to scale it also. Yes, the last step is scaling. Once you have done, it will take few seconds, then you can just check the score. And that's how we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Also check the other labs and playlist in the description. If you face this kind of score issue, just refresh the browser. You will definitely get the score, and for check progress you can check the description.